As one of the strongest growth segments in our economy, technology companies pay millions of dollars in taxes every year. But many of these companies, including startups that don't pay tax, could be saving big dollars. How, you may ask? Federal and state research and development tax credits. So why aren't more tech companies taking full advantage of these valuable tax credits? Well, many think these credits just don't apply to them. So let's set the record straight. By law, virtually any company that designs, develops, or improves products, processes, techniques, algorithms, or software may be eligible to take advantage of R&D tax credits. And at the end of 2015, restrictions were lifted that now make R&D tax credits available to more companies, including startups, S-corps, and LLCs. Now, companies who pay alternative minimum tax, or AMT, with less than $50 million in average sales over the last 3 years can claim the credits. In some instances, this could virtually eliminate federal tax liabilities for companies and owners of S-corps and LLCs. And now pre-income startups and growing companies can also claim these credits if they have less than $5 million in gross receipts and sales in 5 or fewer years. And the credits can be used to offset FICA payroll taxes up to $250,000 annually. As you can see, this can add up to big dollars. So here are some examples of qualifying activities. Has your team been working on a new software product or service? That activity qualifies. Is your team working to improve or add new features to an existing product or service? That activity qualifies. Have you been working to improve development processes to create greater efficiencies? That activity qualifies. If your team uses an iterative process to execute these activities that is based on hard sciences, such as engineering or computer sciences, the time your team members log on these activities can qualify for the credit, even the product visionary's time. Plus, any consumable materials used in the process can also be applied to the credit. So if your company engages in activities that fit this criteria, and you aren't working with an R&D tax credit specialist, you could be leaving money on the table. For more information about R&D tax credits, contact Carly McDonald.